Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a very underrated indicator. It's called Genesis Matrix Indicator. Okay, so it's this one, Genesis Matrix Trading System by FinTrade here. Okay, and it's originally MT4 indicator. So basically it's just 4 different indicators combined into one. Okay, so I use default settings, and then you need 50 EMA. Okay, 50 EMA, and then you need ATR indicator. So it's this one, ATR Stop Loss Finder by VeriFid. And the setting is you put 2.5 here. So your stop loss is 2.5 times ATR, and your take profit is 1.5 times 2.5. Okay, so it's 1 to 1.5 risk reward. All right. Okay, so for sell, you want the matrix, okay, to be all red for the first time. Okay, so the first time it's all red here, right, this candle, and the price has to be below the 50 EMA. Okay, so you sell here, this candle here, and your stop loss is the ATR. Okay, and your target is 1 to 1.5. And I've already backtested this strategy 100 times. I'll give you the link down below if you're interested to see the result in MT4. Okay, so make sure you check out the link below. Okay, so here we have another sell. Okay, all red for the first time, and below 50 EMA. So your okay here, and target 1 to 1.5. Okay, so here we have another one. Okay, another one, and another one here, and here we can take another one. So his stop loss is here, and we take this one, and okay, this one. All right. Okay, stop loss is the ATR band, target 1 to 1.5. All right, and here we also have a signal. We have signal here, and then we get stopped out here. Yeah, so this is our stop loss, and we get stopped out here. Okay, so for buy, it's the opposite. You want the price to be above the 50 EMA, and the Genesis has to be blue, all blue for the first time. Okay, so it's here. Okay, you can buy this and target 1 to 1.5. Okay, and here you can buy again. Here, stop loss is here. Buy here, stop loss is here. Okay, buy here. So it's very good in trending market. And here, okay, buy here, and buy here, buy here. So another thing I want to mention is if the candle is too big, okay, let me show you. Okay, so here, if the candle is too big, you don't take a trade. Okay, so like this one, you have a signal here. The candle is, yeah, it's bigger than average. Okay, it's already too late, so you don't enter here. All right, so you have to use your common sense. Okay, so if you like the video, please like the video and subscribe. Thank you very much.